Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's design is going to be using colour blocking with maybe a little bit of gel polish. So I've prepped and sculpted a clear nail on here. So I'm just putting a clear base down so I don't stain her nail. So I'm going to be using Purple Grape, Summer Fruit and Kimono. And I'm going in with Kimono. So I'm using quite a small dry piece of acrylic now, and I'm getting it as close to the cuticle as possible. So I'm using my brush to bump up the sides and just sharpen it up. So then I have to wait for this to set before I can put on my next colour. So once that's set, I then sharpen up the edges using a hand file. Then going in with Summer Punch, I'm going to lay down my next colour block. I'm just patting the product into place, gone around both sides, and yeah, just neatening up. So what I'm doing here is seeing if I can fit the file in. I'm scoring onto the clear, so you can see my little mark there. I'm going in with Mega White up to that score mark, so I know I can fit my file in. I'm using my brush to straighten up the lines, and then once that's set I can get that file in there. So I'm using my hand file just to sharpen up that chevron. And then I'm doing the white, because that's set now. So now I'm going in with Purple Grape. I'm going to do one side using this and the other side using Kimono. So now I'm just using Kimono for the last piece. It's like a little jigsaw. So now I've just got to wait for this piece to set before I can start filing. So I'm going straight in with my Efile to take off that excess acrylic. You'll be able to see the colours starting to sharpen. So this is where I realised that I'd made a bit of a boo-boo with that middle line. So I wanted the lines to match up, and I thought the more that I filed, it might have lined up, but it just didn't. It'd have been really nice if it was completely symmetrical. So sometimes mistakes do just happen, unfortunately. In this case, you can either take it off and start it again, or I can fix it. Try to change it. So here you can see that my line's out. I'm not very happy, but I still neaten up the edges. So here I'm just using my hand file just to get rid of all my Efile marks. I'm using acetone and lint-free wipe. And you can definitely see that line's not straight. So I'm using the Urban Graffiti Snow White to try and fix this. So I popped a bit on a palette and loaded up my brush. And I'm going to draw some straight lines. Just using the tip of the brush, just dragging down to the free edge. So I'm just trying to straighten up that line, just add in a bit more white. And I'm going to pop it onto the lamp for 30 seconds. And now I'm happy with my cover up, I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat and cap that design and pop it under the lamp for 60 seconds. I'll be using the Nail Nails Pink Pineapple Cuticle Oil. Rehydrate that nail. So here's my colour blackened design. And it is a little bit of a trickier design to do, but if you make a mistake, you can fix it. All the products I've used are listed below, and I hope you give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye!